Some chemical properties. Glucose 1. Heating with HI. 2. Reaction with hydroxylamine. 3. Bromine water. 4. Nitric acid. Number of chemical reactions are given in the textbook. In the syllabus mentioned only these 4 properties, therefore study that 4 properties. Test for glucose and fructose. Bromine water test with equation. Now let us start with the first property, heating with HI. When glucose is heated with HI in presence of red phosphorus, drastic reduction takes place and normal hexane is formed. How will you prepare normal hexane from glucose? That type of question can be asked. Or what happens when glucose is heated with HI and red phosphorus? The product obtained is normal hexane. 2. Reaction with hydroxylamine. Glucose condenses with hydroxylamine to form an oxime called D-glucose oxime. This is a characteristic property of the functional group aldehyde, which you already studied. A hydroxylamine is the formula, the NH2OH. Arrange the molecule in such a way that the condensation and the water molecule elimination is clear. The product obtained is D-glucose oxime. Third one, bromine water. When glucose is oxidized with mild oxidizing agents such as bromine water, the aldehyde group changes to an acid group and a monocarboxylic acid called D-gluconic acid is obtained. Glucose reacts with nascent oxygen obtained from bromine water and forms gluconic acid. In the structure, CHO is changed into COH. In this reaction, a red coloration of bromine water disappears. Thus, glucose decolorizes bromine water. Hence, this reaction is used as a test for glucose. That is the second part of the syllabus. This is the equation that you have to write for glucose, and for fructose. No chemical reaction take place, therefore no change in the color of bromine water. Bromine water remains as such. No decolorization takes place. That is actually the test. Fourth one, nitric acid. When oxidized with strong oxidizing agents such as concentrated nitric acid, both aldehyde and the primary alcohol groups gets oxidized and a dicarboxylic acid called D-saccharic acid is obtained. How will you prepare saccharic acid, D-saccharic acid from D-glucose? Another question can be asked. Test for glucose and fructose. Bromine water test. When glucose is treated with bromine water, the red color of the bromine water disappears and the solution becomes colorless. Refer the equation in the properties of glucose, equation number 3. Fructose does not decolorize the red color of the bromine water. That is distinction from glucose.